Welcome back. In a special debate, Matdar Raja, Kepinkars urged their MLA to stick to his earlier statement opposing mining traffic from Kepe. They demanded a mining bypass around the market immediately as a temporary solution to the problem.
Kepenkars claim that main reason behind traffic congestion and accidents in Kepe is mining traffic. They were agitated over the issue, hence they demanded a mining bypass through market immediately. They called it a temporary solution.
ती 5 वर्सां बायपास हे केपेकार सोंसपाक शकचे ना त्या खातीर हो एक इंटरमिडिएट रूट आसा जो सहज 3-4 म्हयन्या भितर शक्य जावपाक शकता. म्हणजे सीएमान ही ताबडतोब हो बायपासाक तांणी सँक्शन दिवपाची चड आनी चड गरज आसा. ना जर जायत आयज पर्यंत आमचो धंदो बंद आसा.
पूण आमी सीएमा कडेन हांवें क्लियर कट सांगले आसात जर हो तुमकां मायनींग बायपास जायसर आमचो जो केपेचो बायपास जो आसा तो बाजार बायपास आसा हो खंयच्याय पद्दतीन म्हाका पयलीं घेवपाचो आसा.
But the truck owners cried out their worries. They said that government should consider their grievances and adhere to them.
सपोज जर तुम्ही म्हणटात मायनींग बंद करतले ह्या सायडीच्यान आमी ट्रक ओनराची कितें करपाचें आमची गांवाची सारक्या लोकांनी शेत विकून गांव जमनी गेल्या म्हणून शेत विकून ताणें आपल्याली ट्रक घेतल्यात सो तेंच्यांनी कितें करपाचें हाजेर मातशें सांगचें.
मायनींग ट्रॅफिक जे आमी लास्ट इयर पळयले तेन्ना त्या भुरग्याची वचून काकोट करनात तेन्ना आमकां ट्रक ओनराचे तांचो चड कन्सर्न आसा कित्याक ते आमचे भुरगे आमकां पुलावेल्यान कळटा जे भुरगे वता ट्रक एक सायडीच्यान वता एक टायरा पोंदा तर भुरगो पडल्यार कुडको बसून मेळपाना तेन्ना ट्रक ओनराचो जो इश्यू आसा ताणें मायनींग लेवलार सेटल करचो पूण त्या केपेकारांची बोडार वचून न्ही
ती नायदर पब्लीक सफर जावपाक जाय नायदर ट्रक ओनर सफर जावपाक जाय. आज 2000 ट्रक ओनर्स हे 2000 फॅमिली म्हणल्यार जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता की 15-20 हजार लोकांच्या डिपेंडन्सी हाजेर आसा जाल्यार आमी सरकाराच्या डिले खातीर आमी कित्याक लॉस भोगप. म्हाका
A reporter in Kepe, Mayur Naik.
Facial reconstruction due to accidents is on the rise. The incidence of horrendous accidents have risen not only in Goa but in India as well. Also, patients from Western countries are coming to India for cost-effective treatments. A seminar on aesthetic plastic surgery was organized by the Plastic Surgery Unit of GMC. The CME was inaugurated by the Dean of GMC, Dr. V.N. Jindal, President of Association of Plastic Surgeons of India, Dr. Mukund Thate and other doctors. Dr. Thate mentioned that in recent years, a lot of cases of facial reconstruction are treated which are due to accidents.
Lots of cases. Unfortunately, that is one part of our national scene that has not improved. That is highway driving safety. People don't wear seat belts, people don't obey traffic rules, people don't obey overtaking rules. And we get the most horrendous accidents with the most horrendous injuries, many of which we have to reconstruct.
Dr. Prashant Govalkar, who is a plastic surgeon working in England, says that many Britishers come to India for treatment as it is cost effective.
Western population is feeling the pinch as well, and they are looking at avenues to try and get procedures done at a lesser cost than what they would have to pay in the West. And I think they look at India as a destination where you are more or less assured good quality surgery.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pal. Mapsa Nagrik Samiti is all set to contest the municipality election. Samiti released their manifesto on Friday. Sewerage system, municipal market, Ravindra Bhavan and other development works top the list of priorities.
Transparent and effective administration. Number 2, monitoring sewerage system and underground electrical cabling for speedy completion. Upgradation of municipal market by creating new facilities, hawkers zone and completion of fish and vegetable market. Creation of parking area near market. Completion of Ravindra Bhavan.
Advocate Subhash Narvekar emphasized need of Ravindra Bhavan in Mapsa and criticized BJP for not supporting it.
कितल्याशा तेंपान म्हापसान रवींद्र भवन करचें अशी खुबश्या लोकांची इच्छा आसली आनी ह्या रवींद्र भवनाक ज्या आमदारांक विरोध केला आनी तेजे जे कॅन्डिडेट आयज तेणें उबे केल्या त्या कॅन्डिडेटाच्या विरोधांत आमचे कॅन्डिडेट आसतले कारण हे सगळे कॅन्डिडेट तेजे सगळे आसात ते रवींद्र भवनाक विरोध करपा खातीर उबे रावल्यात.
Advocate Subhash Narvekar explained their election strategy.
म्हापशेच्या आमदाराच्या पॉलिसीक विरोध करता असो कॅन्डिडेट ह्या वॉर्ड नंबर 9 आसा जो आशिष शिरोडकार किंवा आशिष नार्वेकार जाका आमी म्हणटात ताका आमचो सपोर्ट आसतलो. रेस्ट 13 wards we have our candidates, and in one ward we are supporting Srimati Janet Gomes.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti.
Just a few hours left for the India-Australia one-day clash, and the traffic department is all set with their final arrangements. There will be a barricade from Ambaji Junction to Fatorda Junction, parking at KTC bus stand and SGPDA market. Two-wheeler parking will be done behind Fatorda Stadium. The regular traffic will be diverted from Nuve Junction or the Eastern Bypass. Ponda buses will be diverted via Bodda.
PI of Traffic Cell at Vasco Dharmesh Angle briefed about the final traffic arrangements for the India-Australia One-Day International.
अंबाजी आमचो मेन पॉइंट ब्लॉकेड लागता. अंबाजीच्यान जे पळय रस्तो फुडल्यान आयला तो सगळो टोटल ब्लॉक आसतलो अप टू फातोर्डा जंक्शन. फातोर्डा जंक्शना पर्यंत ब्लॉक आसा. आनी जो पळय आल्लेम जंक्शन टुवर्ड्स स्टेडियम जो पळय रस्तो येता तो ब्लॉक आहा. फक्त रेजिडेंट्स जे पळय आसा तांकांच अलाव करपाचें डिसिजन घेतिल्लें.
PI Angle informed about the parking arrangements.
आता पार्किंग जी पळय आहा तितली KTC बस स्टँडाचेर पार्किंग आसतली आनी SGPDA मार्केट पार्किंग आनी टू व्हिलर आहा तितले फातोर्डा स्टेडियमाच्या फाटल्या वटेन फुटबॉल ग्राउंड आहा पळय थंय पार्किंग जाता.
The regular traffic will be diverted at many points in Madgaon.
डेली ट्रॅफिक जी पळय आसा ती आयदर नुवे जंक्शना वयल्यान डायवर्ट जातली नुवे बायपासा वयल्यान नाजाल्यार इस्टर्न बायपासा वयल्यान ट्रॅफिक डायवर्ट जातली.
Traffic plying from Ponda to Madgaon will have to take the route via Borda.
स्पेशली फोंडाच्यान येवपी ज्यो बसी आसात
हय त्यो वाया बोर्डा वतल्यो थंयसर. वाया बोर्डा अशें घुवन इस्टर्न बायपासा वयल्यान वाया बोर्डा वतल्यो.
These arrangements are made for a smooth inflow and outflow of traffic in Madgaon and Fatorda. Spectators are requested to kindly check the traffic arrangements before heading for a great match. Have a great one-day international. A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.